Is RedNote deleting your post for no reason? In this video, I will show you how to stop your posts from getting removed and keep them up safely. First, check community guidelines. RedNote is picky: no spam, no copyright stuff, no offensive content. Read their rules so you can know what triggers auto removal. Posts with certain keywords or suspicious links often get flagged. Rewrite your captions or remove short links. Next, update your RedNote app. So launch Play Store or App Store. Then search for the app RedNote. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, rapid posting looks spammy. Space out posts to avoid autofilters. If these solutions didn't work out for you, you can contact RedNote support team. So these are some fixes for RedNote posts getting removed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.